Hello students, today you will learn about understanding average from chapter 13, average and unitary method. At first we will learn about finding the average of a group of data. Students, look at these boxes. There is a different number of carrots in each box. There are 5 carrots in the first box, 7 in the second box and 12 in the third box. There are 24 carrots altogether. Let us rearrange the carrots so that each box has the same number of carrots. Students, which box has the most number of carrots? The third box has the most number of carrots. And which box has the least number of carrots? The first box has the least number of carrots. Students, since the third box has the most number of carrots, we can start by moving carrots from this box to the other boxes. If we move 3 carrots from the third to the first box and 1 carrot from the third to the second box, we can get 8 carrots in each box. Students, how many carrots are there in each box now? Now, there are 8 carrots in each box. So now, the 3 boxes have the same number of carrots. And the total number of carrots in the 3 boxes is 24. So here, 24 carrots have been divided equally into 3 groups of 8 carrots each. We can also divide the total number of carrots by the number of boxes to find how many carrots there should be in each box. There are 24 carrots altogether, and 24 divided by 3 is 8. That means when we divide the total number of carrots into 3 boxes equally, we get 8 carrots in each box. That means we get the average by dividing the total number of items into equal groups. So students, we can get the average number of carrots by dividing the total number of carrots by the number of boxes. So we can say that average is equal to sum of data divided by number of data. Now we will learn about finding the average given the total amount and the number of items. Students, look at this question. Dinesh inflated 114 balloons in 3 hours. Find the average number of balloons he inflated each hour. Students, here we have to find the average number of balloons Dinesh inflated each hour. And we know that to find the average number, we have to divide total number of balloons by number of hours. So students, to find the average number of balloons Dinesh inflated each hour, we will divide 114 by 3. When we divide 114 by 3, we get 38. So, the average number of balloons Dinesh inflated each hour was 38. So, this is how we find the average when the total amount and the number of items are given. Now we will learn about finding the total amount given the average and the number of items. Students, look at this question. Tina has 5 ribbons. The average length of each ribbon is 4.37 meters. Find the total length of the ribbons. In this question, we have to find the total length of 5 ribbons. And students, the number of ribbons and the average length of each ribbon are given. We know that if we are given the total length of the ribbons and the number of ribbons, we can divide to get the average length of each ribbon. So, therefore, if we are given the average length and the number of ribbons, we can find the total length by multiplying the average length by the number of ribbons. So, to find the total length of the 5 ribbons, we multiply 4.37 meters by 5. And when we multiply them, we get 21.85 meters. So, the total length of the ribbons is 21.85 meters. So students, this is how we find the total amount when the average and the number of items are given. So students, that's all for today. Thank you.